Hi, I'm Seng. So to show you how to use the warehouse function in FeedMe. For the concept is like this. So let's say this is your outlet and this is your warehouse. So today your outlet manager found that there's some stock that's not enough, then he need to send a request to the warehouse. So the stockkeeper will found that there's a request from the outlet A, so they will ready the stock and send to the outlet. So outlet manager after count, then they need to approve and accept the stock. Then the whole process is done. Thank you.
Log into your FeedMe portal, then click here and switch to all portal. So if you're the first time user, click on warehouse and fill in your details. After that, just click update. Then go to inventory and click receive and request. This one means that if you're the outlet manager and you want to request a stock from the outlet, then select your outlet first. In this example, I choose Seng demo. Then I click new transaction. So for the transaction type, purchase means that you direct purchase from supplier, but in this case I click transfer, means that I request a stock from warehouse. Then transfer from, I select warehouse. Then the reference you can put, and you also can put your remarks. After that, link your item that you want to request from warehouse. Click link. You also can link more ingredients. In this example, I select butter chicken. Just click link. Then you can put your quantity. After that, just click save. So it shows that on 7 March, Seng demo outlet requests 1 ingredient from warehouse with this reference and the status is draft. If you want to add on more ingredient, just click update. Then just click submit request, or you can click print. Then just click submit request. After that, the stockkeeper from warehouse, he need to log into his own FeedMe portal with his own account. Then click on approval and select warehouse. Then stockkeeper will see there's a request sent from the Seng outlets. If the stock is enough, then just click accept. So after accept, so the outlet manager need to open the FeedMe post in the post device. Click on the setting, click on inventory, and click on purchase. If you want to refresh, you can click on the random date, just click confirm. So as you can see that you are receiving a stock from warehouse. If you click it, it will show that your outlet is going to receive a 2000 gram of the butter chicken. You also can click plus to edit the details such as the DO or remarks. If you have received the stock with the exact quantity, just click receive stock. Then it will show stock received successful. If you go to inventory, in your stock, it will show that you have received the stock just now. Then the whole process was done. If the warehouse need to purchase the stock, very simple. Click on the inventory, click on supply. So you can click new supplier and fill in the details and just click create. After done, it will show like this. Then click on request and click new transaction. Because the warehouse need to buy the stock from supplier, so transaction type you select as purchase. Then you select your own supplier. Then you can put your own reference and remarks. Then link your item. Let's say this is of the item, just click link. Then fill in your quantity.
Few moments later.
After that, just click save. Once your supplier has sent these 5 ingredients, and just click mark receive. Then click on the balance. Then it will show that you have received all these ingredients. You also can click on the history or adjust the stock. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find hidden post, find out.
Aseng.
Aseng.找post system, 找 Aseng.